to our channel where we talk all about soccer. Today we're going to discuss the different skills that are crucial to the game of soccer. Whether you're a beginner or experienced player, these skills are essential to have in your arsenal. So let's get started. Dribbling. The first skill on our list is dribbling. This is when a player uses their feet to move the ball around an opponent. Good dribbling skills allows the player to maintain possession of the ball, create space, and beat opponents. There are a few different types of dribbling moves, such as the step over, the roulette, and the chop. Next up is passing. This is when a player passes the ball to a teammate to help move the ball up the field. There are different types of passes, such as short passes and long passes and through passes. The third skill we're going to talk about is shooting. It's when a player attempts to score a goal by kicking the ball into the net. There are different types of shots, such as the low shot, the high shot, and the chip shot. Tackling is the next skill we're going to discuss. This is when a player tries to take the ball away from an opponent by making contact with the ball or the opponent. Good tackling skills are essential for defenders and can help disturb an opponent's attack. Heading. Lastly, we have heading. This is when a player uses their head to control the ball, either in defense or attack. Good heading skills are essential for aerial duels and set pieces, such as corner kicks and free kicks. So there you have it. Those are the 5 essential skills of soccer. Of course, there are many other skills that are important to the game, but these 5 should be a great starting point. Practice these skills regularly and you'll be well on your way to become a better player. Thanks for watching.